Josh's spring renovation plan. Every year my lawn needs just a little bit of a kick in the butt to get it going. So the first thing I do is I bring home my Ryan aerator and I plug my lawn. I pull all the plugs up, all the turds, and I leave them on my lawn. 2 or 3 days later, after they've dried out a little bit, I take my fertilizer spreader and I'll fertilize my lawn. I'll put down a light layer of fertilizer and I'll throw down a little bit of grass seed. I then come along with my Ryan Renovation slicer and I lightly thatch the lawn. And what that's going to do is break up all of the turds, all of the plugs that were left behind by the aerator and push that dirt back into the holes. It also pushes that fertilizer and grass seed into the holes. And within a couple weeks with that spring rain, my lawn is green, it's popping, and it's looking good. Check out our full line of rental equipment from aerators to thatchers to more at Carl's Mower and Saw.